Hello, Señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. For your actividad inicial, that is only for the first 5 minutes of the class, you are supposed to go to this photo. You have to go to this photo. It says, last class, you learned different ways to say hello and goodbye in Spanish. Please type one greeting and one way to say goodbye in the comments. So you're going to find in your vocabulary a way to say hello and a way to say goodbye, and you're going to type it right here in your answers and then submit it. Right? That's for your actividad inicial. Then we're going to have some activities in Spanish.com. So this is how this works. It says go to Spanish.com. Under the third column, textbook, click on the link for Realidades Uno. So I gave you the step-by-step. The login information is this one. And it says under the column, preliminary practice pages, select the link to page 1. So I'm going to show you and I'm going to walk you through, but I put the step-by-step here so you can follow. So let's do. The first thing that says is to go to Spanish.com. And then it says, under the third column, textbooks, click on the link for Realidades. So here's it, 1, 2, 3, click the link for Realidades. And then it says the log information in case that you're required to put it there. Then it says under the column preliminary practice. So we have the column preliminary practice pages right here. Preliminary practice pages, select the link to page 1 in la escuela. So here, page 1 in la escuela, you click right there. Complete the activity and take a screenshot of the activity with the score. You can capture the whole activity, take part of it in the score. Score is not valid if it doesn't come with the activity or part of it. Repeat this action for pages 2, 3, and 4. So what does that mean? You're going to complete your activity. This is the activity. So you just need to match this with this. And it shows you here your score. So once you finish, you're going to have your score here. You're gonna get your screenshot. But for me, it's different than you. So you're gonna get your screenshot of this part that shows the score and the activity. Okay? So I know that that's the activity, and then that's what you score. Then you go into the next activity. The next activity, it says that pages 2, 3, and 4. So you just go back here, you click on page 2, do the same, complete the activity 3 and 4. You're going to get 4 screenshots. Once you have your 4 screenshots, you're going to submit the screenshots. So I put here file upload, and you're going to have your button here that says start assignment. And then you're going to have your option to submit the 4 screenshots. If you don't know how to submit it, I have some instructions on the frequently asked questions, but since I'm here in the classroom, I'll be very glad to help you to do it. So just let me know, and I'll see you during class. Adios.